Picture this. You're at the beach, your bag tips over, and suddenly your phone, snacks, and sunscreen are scattered across the sand. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a beach bag out there that literally can't tip over, keeps your stuff organized, and even changes colors in the sunlight? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, and today we're breaking down the top 5 picks you need to know before you buy. Let's get into it. I've tested dozens of beach bags this summer, and trust me, not all bags are created equal. Some look amazing but fall apart after one trip. Others are built like tanks but cost a fortune. Today, we're finding that sweet spot between style, function, and value. Straw mesh woven beach bag. But what if you want that perfect boho beach aesthetic without breaking the bank? Enter the straw mesh woven beach bag. This little beauty caught my eye because it screams summer vibes, and honestly, it photographs like a dream. This foldable woven bag is all about that casual, effortless beach look. It's basically the Instagram influencer of beach bags. Looks amazing in photos and won't destroy your budget. The mesh design gives you serious breathability, which is genius when you're carrying damp towels. It folds completely flat, so you can literally tuck it into your suitcase and forget about it until you need it. The large capacity means you can fit way more than you'd expect from something this lightweight. Here's what I love. It's incredibly affordable, weighs practically nothing, and gives you that boho chic vibe everyone's going for. The mesh lets wet items dry out naturally, which is actually pretty smart. But here's the reality check. This bag has zero security. No zipper, no closure, nothing. So if you're the type who loses your keys in a regular purse, this might stress you out. Plus, the mesh holes can be big enough for smaller items to slip through. I learned this the hard way when my lip balm took a dive into the sand. Who it's best for? If you're a minimalist who values style over storage and you're not worried about losing things, this could be your perfect match. It's ideal for those Instagram-worthy beach pics where you want to look effortlessly chic. I'm giving this one 3 out of 5 stars. It nails the aesthetic and the price point, but the lack of security and basic construction hold it back from being a true standout. Simple, modern getaway bag. Here's where things get interesting. What if you could get premium features without the premium price? The simple modern getaway bag caught my attention because everyone kept saying it was like getting a designer bag for half the cost. So naturally, I had to see what the fuss was about. This structured EVA bag is basically the practical friend in your group. Not the flashiest, but always reliable when you need it. It's designed to be the affordable alternative to some very expensive options. The standout feature is definitely the tip-proof design. This thing literally stands up on its own, which sounds simple but is actually genius. The waterproof EVA material means you can rinse it off with a hose and it's as good as new. Plus, it comes with a detachable zipper pocket for your valuables. The threaded bottom gives you grip on any surface, and those structured walls mean it never collapses into a sad, floppy mess. What I absolutely love, the bang for your buck is incredible. It's waterproof, durable, and that tip-proof feature works exactly as advertised. Cleaning is literally just wiping it down. No scrubbing required. The lifetime warranty shows they believe in their product. The downside? It's not going to win any fashion awards. It's definitely more function over form, and the color options, while nice, aren't as extensive as some competitors. Who it's best for? This is perfect for practical people who want something that just works. If you're tired of bags that tip over or fall apart after one season, this is calling your name. Great for families, frequent beachgoers, or anyone who values reliability. I'm giving this 4.5 out of 5 stars. It delivers on every promise and gives you premium functionality at a fair price. The only thing keeping it from a perfect score is the styling. Bag-smart beach bag with cooler. And what happened next might surprise you. A beach bag that's basically a mobile command center. I'll be honest, when I first saw this bag, I thought it might be overkill. But after using it with my family for a weekend beach trip, I totally get why parents are obsessed with this thing. This isn't just a beach bag, it's like a Swiss Army knife for beach days. The mesh design combines serious organization with a built-in cooler. It's designed for people who want everything in its place. The game changer is the integrated cooler compartment with food-safe lining. We're talking proper insulation that keeps drinks cold for hours. But here's where it gets wild. This bag has 8 different pockets. 2 exterior quick grab pockets, side pockets for water bottles, an anti-sand back pocket, and even a waterproof phone pocket inside. The mesh design isn't just for looks. It actually filters out sand while letting air flow through. The organization is unreal. Everything has a place, and you can find what you need without dumping the entire bag. The cooler feature actually works. Our drinks stayed cold for over 4 hours in 90-degree heat. The mesh material makes cleaning super easy. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The downsides? This might be too much bag for solo trips. Some users reported zipper issues after heavy use, and it's definitely bulkier than simpler options. Who it's best for? This is the ultimate family beach bag. If you're coordinating gear for multiple people, need to keep snacks and drinks organized, or just love having a place for everything, this bag was made for you. I'm giving this 4 out of 5 stars. It's the organization champion, but the complexity might overwhelm some users. For families though, it's a game changer. Casemate Soap Bubble Beach Tote. But that's not the whole story. What if your beach bag could literally change colors in the sunlight? I have to admit, when I first heard about an iridescent beach bag, I was skeptical. But seeing this thing in person, it's actually mesmerizing. The Casemate Soap Bubble Tote is what happens when tech accessories meet high fashion. It's designed for people who want their beach gear to be as stylish as it is functional. The iridescent finish isn't just pretty. It actually shifts from purple to blue to silver depending on the light. The tip-proof design means it stays upright, and the waterproof material lives up to its promises. It comes with a touchscreen-compatible phone pouch that lets you use your device without taking it out. The jacquard handles feel premium, and the whole thing folds flat for travel. The wow factor is real. I got more compliments on this bag than any other piece of beach gear I've ever owned. The quality is genuinely impressive. Thick materials, solid construction, and attention to detail you can see and feel. The phone pouch is actually useful, not just a gimmick. The main downside is the price. This is definitely a splurge purchase. And while the iridescent look is stunning, it might not appeal to everyone's style preferences. Who it's best for? This is for trendsetters who want their beach bag to be a statement piece. If you love getting compliments and don't mind paying for premium style and quality, this could be your perfect match. I'm giving this 4.5 out of 5 stars. It combines genuine functionality with head-turning style. The price keeps it from a perfect score, but if you want to stand out, this delivers. Bog Bag Original. Here's where things get legendary. We're talking about the bag that started the whole tip-proof revolution. The Bog Bag is like the iPhone of beach bags. It created a whole category that everyone else tries to copy. But is the original still the best? This is the patented, award-winning tote that changed everything. Featured on the Today Show, recommended by countless lifestyle magazines, and beloved by beachgoers worldwide. It's the premium option that sets the standard. The tip-proof design is perfected here. Wide base, structured walls, and that signature EVA material that's practically indestructible. It comes with 2 clear insert bags for organization, and you can customize it with their Bog Bits accessories. The 19-inch size gives you serious capacity without being unwieldy. Available in over 50 colors and patterns, so there's literally something for everyone. The quality is undeniable. This thing can handle years of beach abuse and still look great. The tip-proof feature works flawlessly, the cleaning is effortless, and the brand reputation speaks for itself. The insert bags are genuinely useful, and the customization options let you make it your own. The reality? It's expensive. This is definitely an investment piece, and the large size might be overkill if you're usually flying solo to the beach. Who it's best for? This is for serious beach enthusiasts who want the absolute best. If you spend lots of time at the beach, pool, or boat, and you want something that'll last for years, this is worth the investment. I'm giving this the full 5 out of 5 stars. It's the gold standard for a reason. Yes, it costs more, but you're getting proven quality, durability, and the original tip-proof experience that everyone else tries to copy. So there you have it, 5 very different approaches to the perfect beach bag. Whether you want boho style on a budget, practical value, family organization, statement-making style, or premium quality, there's something here for you. My personal favorite, for most people, I'd go with the simple modern getaway bag. It gives you 90% of the premium features at 50% of the cost. But if style is your priority, that casemate bag is absolutely stunning. And for families, that Bag Smart cooler bag is hard to beat. The key is knowing what matters most to you. Are you all about the Instagram shots? Go straw mesh. Need serious durability? Bog bag all the way. Want the best value? Simple Modern has you covered. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.